Saving money doesn't have to be hard. You can actually put it on autopilot. In this video, I'll explain how to set up automatic savings transfers and even automate your bill payments so you can build wealth without thinking about it. If you're ready to make saving effortless, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple money strategies. For many people, the idea of saving money sounds exhausting. You tell yourself that you'll save whatever's left at the end of the month, but somehow there's never anything left. Bills, unexpected expenses, or just a night of takeout and shopping seem to drain the account before savings even have a chance. That's where automatic savings comes in, a system that removes willpower from the equation and makes saving effortless. When you automate transfers, bill payments, and even roundups from everyday purchases, you set yourself up for financial success without constant stress. Let's count down from 10 to 1 to see exactly how and why this strategy works so well. Point 10. Start with the mindset shift before setting up any transfers. It's important to accept one truth. Saving doesn't happen by accident. If you wait until the end of the month to see what's left, chances are you'll save nothing. Automatic savings flips the script by treating saving as a priority rather than an afterthought. Instead of asking, "Can I afford to save this month?" you automatically save first and live on the rest. This simple mindset shift is the foundation of financial security because it ensures you always pay your future self before anyone else. Point 9. Set up a separate savings account. The next step is to create a dedicated savings account, preferably at a different bank from your everyday checking account. Why? Because when your savings are sitting in the same account you use for bills and shopping, temptation is too strong. Having a separate account makes the money feel less accessible, almost like it's locked away. You can even nickname your accounts Emergency Fund, Travel Fund, or First Home to stay motivated. Once this account is ready, you'll have a safe home for your automatic transfers to build wealth quietly in the background. Point 8. Automate weekly or monthly transfers. The real magic begins when you set up recurring transfers from your checking account to savings. Most banks and apps allow you to schedule these deposits for specific days. Many people find it easiest to time transfers with their paycheck. If you get paid on the 1st and 15th, set up an automatic transfer for the very same day. Even if it's just $25 or $50, the consistency adds up. Over time, these small amounts snowball into thousands of dollars, all without requiring you to think about it. The key is consistency, not perfection. Point 7. Break goals into multiple buckets. Saving becomes more powerful when you give each dollar a job. Instead of throwing all your money into one general savings account, divide it across multiple goals. For example, set up automatic transfers into 3 separate funds: $100 a month for emergencies, $50 for travel, and $25 for holiday gifts. Watching each goal grow at its own pace gives you motivation because you see tangible progress. Apps like Ally Bank, Capital 1360, and even budgeting tools like Enab allow you to create sub-accounts or savings buckets, making this strategy easier than ever. Point 6. Automate your bill payments. To automatic savings only works well if your bills are also on autopilot. Why? Because late fees, missed payments, or overdraft charges can wipe out your progress. Set up autopay for essentials like rent, utilities, insurance, and credit cards. This ensures your financial foundation stays strong while your savings grow. It also relieves mental stress. You'll never have to scramble to remember a due date or worry about whether you missed a payment. Automation protects your money both coming in and going out. Point 5. Take advantage of Roundup apps. Technology has made saving effortless through apps that round up your everyday purchases. If you buy lunch for $9.45, the app rounds it up to $10 and invests or saves the extra 55 cents. While small, these cents accumulate fast. Apps like Acorns, Chime, and Digit are designed to make microsaving invisible. Think of it like a digital piggy bank that works in the background. Over a year, this simple habit can add hundreds of dollars to your savings account without you even noticing. Point 4. Reduce the temptation to spend. One of the strongest psychological benefits of automation is that it removes the temptation to spend. When money sits in your checking account, it feels like it's available to use, even if you promised yourself you'd save it. But once it's automatically transferred into a separate savings account, you're far less likely to touch it. This works because of mental accounting. Money in a different place feels less accessible, almost like it's off-limits. Over time, this habit reshapes your relationship with spending. Instead of constantly fighting against yourself to avoid unnecessary purchases, you simply live within the amount left in your checking account. By tricking yourself this way, you make saving the default option and spending the exception, which is the opposite of how most people live. Point 3. Stay consistent without thinking. Consistency is the secret ingredient to building wealth, and automation is the easiest way to achieve it. When you try to save manually, you're relying on discipline, memory, and willpower, all of which can fail when life gets busy. But once you set up automatic transfers, consistency is guaranteed. Whether you're feeling motivated that month or not, the money still moves into savings. This steady stream of deposits compounds over time, proving that wealth isn't built by occasional big efforts but by small, consistent actions repeated over years. It's like going to the gym. Results don't come from one intense workout but from showing up regularly. Automation makes your savings routine unbreakable. Point 2. Watch your wealth grow silently. The magic of automatic savings is that it feels invisible at first. You may not notice those small transfers leaving your account every week, but when you check your balance after a few months, you'll be surprised at how much you've accumulated. This silent growth builds momentum and confidence. It shows you that saving money isn't about huge sacrifices. It's about creating systems that work quietly in the background. For example, someone transferring just $100 a month will have $1,200 in a year, $6,000 in 5 years, and more if it's invested. That sense of progress encourages you to keep going, and before long, you'll realize your financial safety net is stronger than you imagined. Point 1. Make automation your secret weapon. At the heart of it all, automation is your secret weapon for financial success. It takes the hardest part of saving, self-control, out of the equation. You no longer have to decide whether to save or spend, because the decision is already made for you. This simple shift turns savings into a habit that requires no mental effort, freeing you to focus on living your life. Whether you're building an emergency fund, saving for a dream vacation, paying down debt, or preparing for retirement, automation ensures steady progress without constant stress. That's why financial experts consistently recommend it as one of the smartest moves you can make. It's not about how much you save today. It's about building a system that keeps working for you tomorrow, next year, and decades into the future. The secret to saving more isn't willpower, it's automation. By setting up automatic transfers and payments, you remove the temptation to spend and make steady progress toward your goals. If this video helped you see how easy it is, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.